Understanding Scantron Sheets, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common tool used in educational settings, particularly in the United States, the Scantron Sheet. This guide is designed to help English language learners understand what a Scantron Sheet is, how it's used, and why it's important in many academic contexts. So, let's get started. A Scantron Sheet is a special type of form used for automated test scoring. It's a thin paper card, usually printed with black lines and small bubbles or rectangles. Students use a pencil to fill in these bubbles corresponding to their answers to multiple choice or true, false questions. The key feature of a Scantron is that it can be read by a machine, which quickly grades the tests based on the filled bubbles. The concept of the Scantron Sheet was developed in the 1970s, revolutionizing the way tests were graded. Before Scantron, teachers had to grade each test manually, which was time-consuming. Now, Scantron Sheets are widely used in schools, colleges, and standardized tests like the SAT or ACT. This technology allows for efficient and accurate grading of large numbers of tests. Using a Scantron Sheet properly is crucial for your test results. Here are some key points. 1. Use a number 2 pencil. Other types of pens or pencils might not be detected by the scanning machine. 2. Fill the bubbles completely and neatly. Partial or sloppy markings may lead to incorrect grading. 3. Erase completely any mistakes. Stray marks or incomplete erasures can be misread as answers. While using a Scantron Sheet might seem straightforward, here are some tips to ensure the best outcome. Double-check your answers. Make sure your answer choice matches the question number on the test and the Scantron Sheet. Be mindful of time. Allocate enough time to transfer all your answers to the Scantron Sheet before the test ends. I hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident about using Scantron Sheets in your academic journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to ask your teacher for a sample Scantron Sheet to practice filling it out. Good luck, and see you in our next video.